In this video, we're actually going to make our cat move around the screen here. So I already have an event out in my writing area of the Scratch interface, and it is when the green flag is clicked. So I'm going to use the green flag here to start all of my programs. Now the very first block is the move steps block. So let's see if I drag move 10 steps, and if I hit the green flag, the cat will move across the screen 10 units. Now I can change this number. In fact, I can change anything in a white box because they are just input numbers. So I can say something like 40 steps, and the cat will now jump even farther. And if I put in a negative number, like negative 40, the cat will go backwards. Now, the move steps appears as though it's moving the cat in the X direction. And you'll also notice if I scroll down a little bit, there's the change X block, which if I put in a higher number like 40, it's going to appear as though it's doing the exact same thing as the move steps block. Now, change X and change Y only move the character in the X and Y direction when used. The move steps block changes both X and Y depending on which direction the character is facing. So if I use the turn degrees just to kind of rotate my cat around, and I also want to point out that you can click on any block while it's in the word bank and it will actually function almost as a test function. So if I click on this turn degrees, even though it's not out here, I'm clicking on it and it is in fact working. So my cat's now kind of facing in this angle here, and if I put the move steps block in, if we make it a positive 10, you'll notice that it now actually changes both X and Y as it inches my cat in a diagonal direction. When if I were to put in just Y, the cat will go exactly vertically straight up here. There are also blocks of code to point the cat in certain directions, like a perfect 90 if I wanted to. I could also do something like point towards the mouse pointer, and the cat will actually go wherever the mouse pointer is. And there's even blocks to go to specific points, like go to the mouse pointer, go to a set coordinate system. So if I type in a specific X and Y here, like X 10 and Y minus 100, when I press the green flag, the cat's going to jump to that coordinate. If I look in my right-hand corner, I can see that that's exactly where the cat is.